Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can close your face with the sticker and make sticker follow your face. Alright, so select your video and you like to edit and go to the sticker and select sticker you like to add. For example, before I'm going to make it shorter. Alright, just for revision assembly. And make sure the sticker, sorry, another sticker, and put on your face. Close your face with the sticker and select tracking, motion tracking. Select back for right direction and turn on the scale and distance and select this sticker and go. Just click start. So just wait for playing the motion tracking effect in on your video. And as you can see, the sticker follow your face. Right? Sticker follow the face, and your face is closed by sticker. Just wait. So here we go. This is the final effect. Right, so super simple. That's how you can and you close your face with the sticker and make the sticker follow your face. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.